Alright, so we have star targets. We're going to go ahead and break the seal, open it up, get the baggie out. Occasionally they will settle slightly inside of the container. You may have to do some digging to get it out. You got your catalyst pre-measured. Simply open up your catalyst bag, dump the entire contents back inside of the container. You can place the baggie back inside of the container. It won't affect anything at all upon the mixing or detonation of the target. Vigorously mix the target up. The better mixed up they are, the better they do go off. We recommend a minimum of 45 seconds to a minute of vigorous mixing up. You should have a light dull gray color all the way through the entire target. You can slowly roll the target around looking for any major white spots. If you see continuous white spots, continue mixing until they're all a dull gray color. Once completed, set your target out and you're ready to shoot. Now that they're ready to shoot, let's find an area clear of debris. Have some fun.
Half-pound target, shot 1. Go when ready.
Half-pound target, shot 2. One-pound target, shot 1.
One-pound target, shot 2. Two and a half pound target, shot 1.
Two and a half pound target, shot 2.